Hello children, welcome to today's Cultural and Creative Art class. In today's class, our topic is uses of recycled materials. Our topic is uses of recycled materials. Recycled materials can be turned to functional artworks. For example, any materials such as wood pallets, plastic, cups or bottles, etc. and little creativity, you can create a beautiful functional artwork. Uses of recycled materials. These works serve various useful purposes. Number one, they are used for decoration. They can be kept or hung on walls. Number two, they can be used for eating. For example, plastic plates are used for eating. Some of the plastic products are trays, cups, jugs, etc. Number three, they can be used for drinking, e.g., plastic cups are for drinking. Number four, flower vase is for putting flowers to beautify our environment. Number five, they are also used as gift items. They are also used as gift items. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.